baby birdie right there. We just found him. He was on the ground just a second ago. I forgot to hit the recording button, but he was just on the ground. I almost stepped on him because he walked right next to me, and I almost stepped on him. So he's his mommy's right there next to him. There he goes. There's the baby right there. Isn't that cute? He was just next to me. It's very cute. Yeah. Fly, birdie! Go, birdie, go! He's trying. He's trying. He's trying. Step by step. Good job, birdie. Well, bye, bird.